Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a world coin hunt and I designated this hunt WC18. The first coin in the hunt is an Italian coin. It's 100 lira from 1981. We have the normal lady that's on the Italian coins. On the reverse you also have the country name. On reverse we have the 100 lira value, we have the olive tree, and we have Minerva, who is a goddess standing at the olive tree. The mintage for this 1981 coin is 122,280,000. The second one is from Mauritius. It's a 1 rupee coin from 1990. On the obverse here we have Sadagwayo Ramagulan, and that's G-A-N, and then Ramagulan is G-O-O-L-A-M. I believe he was like the political leader of the island. On the reverse we have the coat of arms of Mauritius, the date of 1990, either side of the Mauritian shield. We have the year and we have the value and the country name. There is no mintage for this coin. The next coin is from a country that no longer exists, Yugoslavia. Here we have the coat of arms and the value and the year on this side. On the reverse we have the value with the year. This is a 1984 coin and the mintage is 172,185,000. Next we have a Spanish coin with General Franco on it, and we have the year of 1957. Now, with a lot of Spanish coins of this era, the actual date of mintage of the coin is on the reverse. So if we look on the reverse, we have the 5 pesetas with the shield of the royal shield of Spain, and the value, and there is a star in here, and the star says 75. When we look at the mintage for 1975 5 pesetas, it's 13 million coins were minted. Next we go to Belgium. We have a French coin, French language coin from 1949. Is that 1949? Hang on one second. Did I get the right one there? Let me just check. I think I've got the wrong coin here. That is right, 1949. The date is on this side. I thought I'd misread that for a moment. It shows Pericles with the year on this coin, the year being there just into the left of his face, and behind his head, here on the right hand side of the coin, is a cornucopia. On the reverse of the coin we have the value of 5, and then the currency of franc on the right hand side, 5 being on the left, and in the centre we have a crowned oak leaf stem. The mintage for this 1949 coin is 38,752,000. Next we go to Yugoslavia. Again, this country no longer exists. As we said before, this is a 20 para coin from 1977. You have the coat of arms and the country name on this side. On the reverse side you have the 20 para valuation and also the year of minting, which was 1977. This coin has a mintage of 40,782,000. I've got these coins back to front. Here we go. This is probably one of the smallest coins on the hunt. This is a 5-ore from Denmark. You have the value and you have the crowned monogram of crowned M monogram on this side. Make sure it's the right way around. Yes, it is. It's there. And this is from 1982. The monogram is of Marguerite II. The mintage for this coin, on the back you have the value 5-ore and the country name. The mintage for this 1982 coin is 74,296,000. Let's make sure I got this the right way up. There we go. This coin is a 10 pfennig coin from 2011 from Bosnia-Herzegovina. On this side you have the country, year and a triangle with stars. On the reverse you have the value over a map of the country. This 2011 coin has a mintage of 10 million. We then go to Poland for a 2 groszy coin from 1997. We have the crowned eagle and the country on this side, and on the reverse we have the value of 2 groszy, we have the year, and we also have the oak leaves. There's 2 oak leaves that bend round the top of the valuation. Excuse me. This 1997 coin has a mintage of 90,400,002. Next we have a Dutch Reich, 5 Reich pfennigs from 1939. It's a Deutscher Reich pfennig, so it's Germany, from 1939. It has the E mint mark, which is Muldenhufte. That's M-U-L-D-E-N-H-U-T-T-E-N. It has, on this side, on the reverse side here, we have the Third Reich eagle clutching the Nazi symbol. The mintage for this coin is 5,138,440. Next we go to Spain, and we have a hold coin from Spain from 1949. On this side you have the value, the coat of arms, and you have an up arrow on the end of the arrows up it's called. And then on this side you have the name of the country, you have a roped anchor and the year. The mintage for this coin is 8,010,000. Here we have a Dutch coin. It's a 5-cent coin from 1988. This side we have Queen Beatrix, which is the lady there, and then on the reverse we have a geometric pattern with a value of 5 cents. This 1998 coin has a value of has a mintage of 22,600,000. Next we have the Sower. The Sower is the name of the lady on this portrait, is the Sower. We have the country name of France. It is 1 franc coin from 1978. On the reverse we have the valuation of 1 franc. We have an olive branch. We have the year. And the mintage for this 1978 coin is 136,604,011. Next I have an Italian coin. It's a 100 lira coin from 1997, so this is the smaller of the lira coins for the 100 liras. This has an olive branch going around the 100 lira valuation, and we also have the year. This 1997 version of the 100 lira coin has a mintage of 70 million. Here we have a coin from Portugal from 1986. It shows the coat of arms, the year and the country on this side. On the reverse side we have the valuation and one of the Portuguese coats of arms. We think it may represent a compass from what I've read in the of coins of a similar type. The mintage of this 1986 coin is 12,818,000. We have a few coins left. The next one is a 10 yen coin from Japan. It is from the year 42, which has a Western date of 1967. We have the value and the garland. On the reverse here, on the other side we have the monastery. And the monastery is the monastery, and it's the Phoenix Hall, which is the Hood's Temple in Beijing. The mintage for this 1967 coin is 158,900,000. And I do apologise to any Japanese people if I've butchered the name of the hall and temple. My apologies to you. This vies for one of the smallest coins on this particular hunt, which is a 10-cent coin from 1968 from the Netherlands. This shows Queen Juliana's portrait, and it also has the name of the country on the going around the outside. And on this side, oops, let me get it in there, we have a crowned value and the year. This 1968 coin has a mintage of 42 million. The next coin is from Turkey and has a portrait of Ataturk, and it also has a country name. It's a 2008 coin with a value of 5 kuros, and on the back you have the valuation. the year, and the Turkish emblem, of course, in this top area here, just by where this rust is. The value of, the mintage of this coin is 55,537,900. This coin is General Franco on the on the obverse, so it's from Spain, and it's marked as 1947. So you got the name of the country, and then on the reverse you have the coat of arms of Spain. When it gets into focus for you, you have one potato going around the outside, and you have a star which has the year of 60, so it's a 1960 coin. The mintage for this 1960 coin is 27,600,000. And the last coin of this hunt is our friend the Sower again. So it's a French coin, it's a half franc value, it's from 1993. As I say, it's a Sower on that side, and on this side we have the valuation of half a franc at the top. We have the olive branches underneath and the year. This 1993 coin has a mintage of 24,972,011. Right, if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? If you believe I deserve it, would you also, if you haven't already done so, could you please subscribe to the channel? I'm a half dozen off my initial target for this year, which is 100 subscriptions. So I'm sort of 6 off that at the moment, so any subscriptions will be gratefully received. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And lastly, I do 4 videos a week, so I hope you can find something that you would like. In closing, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and I hope to meet up again with you very shortly on this channel. And in the meantime, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.